Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the error code 127 in Dota 2. So let's move on without any further delay. First of all, you have to verify the game file in the Steam. After this, your problem will be resolved successfully. The next method is to go on your device setting and click on the update and the security option here. In this method, you have to basically update your window or device. To solve this issue, you have to just click on check for the update. If your system is not updated, then by this process your system will be updated and your error 127 of Dota code will be successfully fixed. The next method and the most important step is to update your game. If your game is not updated, so it will get this type of the issue again and again, so you have to just update your game. After that your problem will be resolved. Make sure that after updating you have to just restart your system or PC. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to just uninstall your game and again install it. After this problem your will be resolved. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Leave a like for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.